Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of remote team management using TODOIST, the complete 2025 guide. So let's kick off with the first step, setting up your team's TODOIST. Sign everyone up and invite them to your main project. This is crucial as it forms the base of your team's collaboration. The reason we do this is because TODOIST provides a centralized system for all your team tasks. Instead of having tasks scattered across different platforms, everything is in one place, making it easier to manage and oversee. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, organizing your tasks. Start by creating sections within your main project for different departments or projects. This helps us because it allows you to add and assign tasks under these specific sections, providing a clear and organized view of what needs to be done. Let me explain why this matters. A well-organized task system reduces confusion and increases productivity. Your team members can quickly see what tasks they have been assigned and when they are due, eliminating misunderstandings and missed deadlines. Next up, we're going to take advantage of TODOIST's labeling and priority level features. Labeling can be used to categorize tasks, while priority levels help highlight the urgency of tasks. This is important because it allows for better task management and helps your team to prioritize their work effectively. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. By using labels and priority levels, you're creating a visual roadmap of tasks. This not only helps in deciding what needs to be tackled first, but also gives a clear overview of the workload. Finally, let's touch on TODOIST's notification and reminder features. Set up notifications for task updates and reminders for approaching deadlines. This helps keep your team on track and ensures no task slips through the cracks. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone is kept in the loop. With remote teams, it's easy for communication to get lost, so having a system that keeps everyone updated is a lifesaver. And that's a wrap. You now know how to use TODOIST for managing remote teams effectively, unlocking smoother workflows and greater productivity. So go ahead and give it a shot and see the difference it can make in your team management. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.